In the booming edge AI market, provisioning thousands of devices can be repetitive and time-consuming. Introducing Allxon Provisioning Playbook, a powerful automated tool for simplifying the deployment of plugins and OTA artifacts onto edge AI devices. In this video, we'll cover the steps on how to create an awesome provisioning playbook on Allxon portal to make your life easier. Let's dive in. First things first. Choose the plugins and OTA artifacts you want to deploy to your edge AI devices. Simply drag and drop them into the playbook in the order you would like. Feel free to delete, add, or rearrange the sequence of plugins and OTA artifacts as you wish. Now, let's put it to the test. Click on Provision manually to see if the playbook is set up exactly the way you want. You can always go back and make changes until you're happy with it. Once you're confident with the playbook, it's time to automate the provisioning process. Simply click on Publish to make it happen. From now on, this playbook will be applied automatically to all newly added devices. If you have existing devices, you still have the option to manually provision them by clicking Provision manually. Now, let's explore some additional tips to enhance your experience with our provisioning playbook. The first tip is to restore back to published playbook. Don't hold back when it comes to mind mapping new provisioning sequences. If you end up wanting to go back to the original published version, you can. Simply click on Restore to Published Playbook. You can even compare published and unpublished playbooks. When you're making changes to the playbook, try out this feature. Click on Compare to Published Playbook to see a side-by-side comparison between the editing playbook and the published one, and tweak it to perfection. Creating the perfect provisioning playbook is as easy as that. Automate fleet provisioning and deploy edge AI devices faster to market with us now. Thanks for tuning in, and stay connected for more exciting tutorials. See you soon.